Good evening, all you fine people of the internet. It is Sunday night, and I wanted to make a special announcement right now. I normally do a Workbench Wednesday at 8 p.m., but Milton is getting in the way. It's supposed to be landfall on the west coast of Florida sometime Wednesday. We're not very sure exactly when, but that's going to put a big damper on the Workbench Wednesday. So I'm going to do a special edition of the Workbench Wednesday live stream on Monday night, my normal Monday night time at 8 p.m. with a little bit of Workbench Wednesday in there with train shows and hurricane watch. And if you're wondering where the hurricane is right now, I'll put up a few pictures of it right now. But between 4 o'clock and 7 o'clock, it hasn't made very much progress. You can just see where it changed, but the future part of it hasn't changed at all. But I'm going to put a short video on after this, what I did earlier today, to keep you updated of what I have done so far with Carney's Cigar Store. And then at the end of this, I'll show you some of the pictures that I found that I'm going to put in what I was talking about in the video coming up over here. So keep an eye out for this. Don't forget, Monday night, 8 p.m., special edition Workbench Wednesday on Monday night. There you go. Well, I'm back from the train show. We went on Saturday, and Saturday night I started putting together all the clips for the train show and published one on Rumble and one on YouTube. I did the YouTube on Sunday. And on Sunday I did the other two videos, the Orlando End Track and the Barn. Now I uploaded the Orlando End Track to Rumble. I'm going to wait till Monday to put the Orlando End Track on YouTube. I'm putting everything a day later on YouTube, and then the Barn will come a day after that. Okay, so I got all of that out of the way. I just finished dinner on Sunday evening, and we're getting back to where we left off. We were working on the windows and doors, and let me bring it down to the bottom here so I could show you what we got here. So I got the doors in there like that, and I got these bump out window displays, but there's nothing in them, and there are no signage or anything that comes with the kit. So some time ago I downloaded pictures. I searched the World Wide Web for photographs of storefronts and store interiors, and I think in Loft Candies I did an interior there of a Walgreens. So that's what I'm going to do for these windows. I'm going to find something to put in them because they're just bare like that. You can see right through them. So I blocked off these two windows here, and I blocked off this one right here and put the sign there. So all we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we got 16 windows to work with on here, so we'll use 12 of them to fill in these holes right here. Okay, this door right here goes in right here, but they did not supply enough wood, or the same wood, to do the casing. Now they have two different sizes, and they said right here 1/16 by 1/32 and 1/16 by 1/8 for this particular kit right here, but each one of them is only long enough to do 2 of those doors. So this one, these 2 big ones, I did it by 1/16 and 1/8, and this one here I'll have to do with a 1/16 by 1/32, but I'll have to paint it. And what I painted it with, and what I painted the interior of these with, is Folk Art Hauser Green Dark. Because you know, I didn't want to go out and spray, you know, just the little bit of that inside, or do it. So I found the color that was closest to it and painted it. So I'm going to have to paint this before I put this door on. But in the meantime, we're going to get this stuff out of the way and work on the windows. That's what I wanted to get done today. We got a hurricane coming, and I normally do a Workbench Wednesday, but I may do the special edition Workbench Wednesday on Monday, because I know that we're not going to have any power on Wednesday. Right now it's supposed to make landfall. The last update was at 4 o'clock. It's 7:04 now, so if I check, you probably have another update. I think they updated at 7 o'clock, but it showed landfall roughly around 1 p.m. Wednesday around the St. Petersburg area. So even with the last one, it was like 100 miles off. We were losing power on Tuesday and Wednesday, the day of the storm, you know, even though it was, you know, 200 miles away from us. So probably on Wednesday we're going to be losing power pretty early, and internet. So I'm going to do the Wednesday live stream. I'm going to put this out for maybe Tuesday afternoon, and work on this as much as I can and push it in before we lose power. So hopefully I can get a little bit further with this thing and put some more videos out. So we'll see where we get. So don't forget, Monday night at 8 p.m. we'll be doing a special edition of the Wednesday night live stream. We'll have train shows. We'll have the train show haul of stuff that I got. You can see some of it back right here. Debbie got a lot more stuff than I did this time. We'll do some of the workbench. I'll give you some of the updates. I got a couple of videos, that last clip that you saw, and I got some more clips to show you. And probably what else? We'll do a hurricane watch and all that good stuff. And so we'll see you on Monday night. And let me put you over here and show you some of the things that I found. Okay. And we'll just go through, you know, I forgot about the cigar store Indians, but and I might print these out and put these on the wall somewhere. That one, this could be a good one for the large storefront window, and that could be a good one for the back wall, or that one right there. There's a small one. I really didn't find one that I could put junk in the window display, so I'm going to have to look around a little bit more. But there's another one right there. There's a cigar box with a cigar, and a smoke shop exclusive tobacco, and I think that's all of it. So that's what I found. I'll be working on that, trying to get some of that stuff up there on there. So we'll see you on Monday. I'm looking at the wrong camera over there again. I'll see you on Monday at 8 p.m. for the special edition Workbench Wednesday. And all of you in harm's way up there that already got hit, we're still praying for you up there. And we're going to be getting it Wednesday, or probably even sooner than that. So the east coast of Florida is going to get the flooding again this week. They got it last week. So prayers are out for all of you. Hope you survive it. Hope it doesn't get too bad. We went through a Cat 1 a couple of years ago with just some minor damage. You know, we had some aluminum on the side that aluminum flashing that got ripped off, and I had a little bit of leakage from the rain going this way. And so we'll see. See you Monday. And until the next time, have fun. You know, all that stuff. We'll see you. All right. And my thing's freezing up here.